Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram Reel low quality issue. So first of all, what you'll need to do is just head over to your Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you can then click and upload a reel as you would usually. So if I just go to Reels right here, click on that, and then I will just click on some random footage right here. So I'll just click on this one. And then what you need to do now is just simply go through and add it as you would usually. So click on add, and then you can go ahead, add any effects and stickers that you want to add, or text, whatever. Click on next, and then once you are on this page, what you need to do now is scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on advanced settings, and make sure upload at highest quality is toggled on. So if this is toggled on and you are still getting the low quality issue, all you simply need to do is, if I go back to show you, what you simply need to do is just come back. So I'll just click on this. So once I have uploaded my footage, what I will need to do is, as you can see, this footage is now playing through from start to finish. And what you need to do now is just simply watch it from start to finish and make sure you allow the footage and the reel to play through. And then once you have done this, what that will mean is that the footage will then be fully rendered onto Instagram, and then that means that it will allow Instagram to upload the fully HD footage that you have uploaded straight from your mobile phone. So these are two ways that did work for me, and this is how I managed to upload HD quality videos when uploading my Instagram Reels. So if this video did help you out guys, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.